Hi there students. In this video we're going to look at the semi-formal adjective facile. Well, facile means done easily, with little effort, not difficult. But we need to be careful with facile, because in many ways facile is an autoantonym. It has opposite meanings that are opposite. So facile can be positive, meaning you don't do something effortlessly. You're a natural at it, particularly for sports and movements and agility, but not always. So he's a very facile tennis player. He's an athlete. He's born to it. It comes easily. Look at his facile strokes with the racket. He hits the ball perfectly every time. So you're a natural at something. It's easy for you to do. But we can also use facile to mean bad, lazy, simplistic, superficial. I am tired of his lazy, facile solutions, without depth. He's a very facile person, always looking for an easy way out, instead of trying to find the right solution. The facile way he thinks about things might lead you to imagine he was a child. The problem with this is it can be very positive or very negative. And I think in many cases with the word facile, you need more context to be able to separate the good from the bad. He has a facile mind. Maybe he thinks of solutions very rapidly and very easily. Or maybe he thinks of things in a very superficial, lazy and simplistic way. He has a very facile style of writing. He writes easily and the words come to him with no problems. He writes very superficially and in a childish way, without using sophisticated words at all. So you need more context. If you're going to use the word facile, you need to detail it a little bit more. A facile movement, this to me now sounds like agile. Yeah, a facile jump, yeah, this is agile and positive. But you need to very often define which it is, the positive or the negative. So facile, probably I'd give it a 7 in formality. I wouldn't use it in an informal conversation. I might say agile, effortless in a conversation in the pub, or simplistic. Use facile for something semi-formal or something very formal. Yeah, so facile, either skilled or unskilled and superficial. Okay, what about the origin? Well, in Spanish there's a word facile, which just means easy. And there's a Latin word facilus, which means with ease, without difficulty. So there you go, facile as an adjective, to do something with great ease or to do something very superficially without thought, without going into it in depth. So I hope this has been a facile explanation, a good one, not a superficial one. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Facile.